To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
But on technical front, what should be your strategy looking at these levels? We have Manas Jaiswal with us to help us navigate through the indices and his stock specific approach. Manas, good afternoon. Thank you for joining and giving your time to ET Now. We see a complete red. The extra market is quite volatile towards the downtrend. What's your view on the indices, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty?
Good afternoon, Mansi. Actually, Nifty has disappointed big time because yesterday it regained 10 and 22 moving average, but it could not cross the resistance of 25,300, which is its price resistance. So now, since Nifty is trading below 28 10-day moving average, I think one should be cautious at current levels. However, I am not expecting big downside from current levels because I see a lot of support near 24,900 to 24,950. So if you're long in this market, you can hold it. Keep the stop loss below 24,900. However, if you want to create long position, then I think you should create long position only on a breakout above 25,300 now on Nifty. However, on Bank Nifty, see, I'm bullish on Bank Nifty. I see resistance near 57,400, but I think this is a consolidation zone where Bank Nifty is trading, and Bank Nifty has strong resistance in the range of 56,400 to 56,250. So here I think on this correction one can create long position because looking at the weekly and monthly chart, I think after some consolidation you can see a breakout on Bank Nifty above 57,400, and if it breaks 57,400, you can see almost 1,000 points rally on Bank Nifty. So on this correction, you can accumulate Bank Nifty, but keep your stop loss below 56,250. However, on Nifty, you should wait for a breakout above 25,300.
All right, so that's the strategy as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned. Manas, but I also want to talk about some stock specific action that we are witnessing right now. Also, let's just talk about the power coupling story because that's also an ET Now exclusive, and IX tanks almost 10% after the news break was confirmed. So what's going to be your take on this now?
Good afternoon, Kavita. So if you're talking about IEX, I think IEX has broken the key support of 150 on the long-term charts. Now, if it is trading here, then I think you can see downside. You can see the level of around 110 on IEX. So on any bounce back, if you're long in this market, you should exit from IEX. Stock specific, I think two stocks one can definitely look at. First is Jindal Steel, where stock has given a fresh breakout on the medium to long term charts. Stock was facing resistance near 980 to 985 for quite some time. But since stock has broken the key resistance of 985, one can create long position in Jindal Steel. Keep your stop loss below 974 and target would be around 1020. And second is a buy call on Eternal because very strong structure, because I think just a few days back we saw a breakout, then we saw some consolidation again. The rally has resumed, and on the long-term charts, the stock has broken its previous high of 300. So I think you can create long position in Internal. Stop loss should be around 304. Target would be around 325.
That's the advice which is coming in on Eternal. But I also want to ask you about the stock specific picks apart from these two.
Sorry, which stock you're talking about?
I'm saying, is there any stock which you would recommend in the current market one should buy apart from Eternal, which you have already advised?
See, I have already recommended this Jindal Steel because most of the metal counters are looking strong on the charts. I have already recommended Jindal Steel. Other than Jindal Steel, if you want to create long position in metal space, I think you can look at Tata Steel for little bit long term, because I see a lot of strength in Tata Steel for next 2 to 3 months time. I think even at current levels, one can create long position, one can accumulate Tata Steel, keep your stop loss below 150, and I hope stock can come in the range of 185 to 190 in next 1 or 2 months time.
So Eternal is one on Manas's radar, and Tata Steel is another stock which we can keep an eye on. Manas, thank you so much for giving your time, helping us with the technical analysis as well as the stock specific trading ideas. Thank you.